Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today's August the 13th, 2021. Take a look. We need to talk about SoFi today. We need to talk about, can this particular stock price continue to go higher? Because if so, we need to come in and adjust our price prediction. Now, before I break down our price prediction in the market for SoFi, and you all appreciate it, hit that like button, Save also subscribe to the channel. We're going to explain why SoFi stock is still a banger and why you still need to be buying. Or where is the market buying this particular product, SoFi stock? So join us. The doors are open. Hit the like button, and also subscribe here to our channel. And I wanted to say, man, we predicted the price in SoFi going higher, right? Right there on July the 15th, 2021. And it wasn't even confusing. Now, from the gate, the price maintain consolidational trading, right? Which is always a good thing in terms of us getting the prediction correct. Now for us, it's always better once the market comes in and give you your ultimate TP price immediately, but it wasn't the case right now in SoFi. But take a look. The price on yesterday closed in SoFi about 9.13% within our prediction. We had our ultimate TP price around $18. So where in the world is this price going to go? Don't worry about it. I got you. I want to make sure that you and I are able to eat into the market without being confused. So let me show you what we're expecting to occur in the market in SoFi. So let me take this profit off the table right now so that we can at least eat this 9% profit that we've garnered from our price prediction that was had on July 22nd. Well, on this prediction that we've created on July the 15th, right? So we need to explain some things that occurred into the market yesterday in SoFi. If you are an avid watcher of our content, that's one thing I tell you to do whenever you come in and look at charts, because volume is the lifeblood of every market. Wherever market you go into, whether it's Tesla, Apple, SoFi, AMD, AMC, GameStop, whatever market you go into, you always need to pay attention to the volume. How active was the market? Did a lot of people come out and play, or was the market dry? Did anyone even come and show up to watch the game? This is what volume tells us. It tells us how active the market was. And yesterday was a very active day in SoFi. Massively active comparative to what was going on while the market was just trading sideways, right? We haven't seen any volume higher than what we received yesterday since June 29th. So it's been about a month and a half since this volume came on the chart. And the price then was trading around $20. So what in the world is going on in SoFi? Don't worry about it, we got you. So check this out. We're still in a trend. This is a very strong support area right here in SoFi. So going forward, this is where the market is propping up the price. And we will continue to see the market go higher in SoFi as long as it maintains its price above $14, $15, period. I mean, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to understand that. It doesn't take a professional trader or investor to come and tell you that as long as price trades above $14.50 to $15, we will maintain higher prices. There's nothing to be confused about right there. Okay. So now, this line here, $18, right? We are on our way in the price in SoFi to determine how high will this market go. So I don't want to get it confusing. Yeah, there is still some restriction around $18 in SoFi, but we need to be forward thinkers, okay? If we're still seeing strength into the market in SoFi, right? And if we're still seeing this increase in volume from yesterday, that $18, do you really think it's going to really impact the price to bring the market all the way back down? Not likely, okay? So if it's not going to be $18, well, how high do you think the market's going to go then before we see a big move or push down in price? Is it around 19? Is it 20? That is something that you will have to answer for yourself as to where you're comfortable in taking some profits off the table. Now, like I tell you, if you guys are long-term investors, then this video is not for you. If you're trying to hold these stocks for 100 years, yeah, don't watch our video, don't watch our content, because it will not benefit you. So let me give you all this, okay? From a 3-day perspective, the market still looks decent, okay, to continue to see higher prices. I have 2 areas already that I'm seeing on the chart. The area first is still $18, right? Then secondly, it's going to be around 19. It's a 2-day time frame. And you can still see that the strength in the market in SoFi is still on the table. This is how you're not able to be emotional, right? You're not emotional when you understand how the market really operates and works. You're not going to be swayed when something occurs into the market because you didn't expect it. But you can actually see what the expectations are into the market in SoFi. Cool, right? You actually become more comfortable and confident in understanding where the market's going to be because you're not being reliant on too many things, right? So many people see the market as complicated. They see as if you can't understand it because they have so much confusion. That's why you don't understand what the chart is trying to get you to see. And that is why the SEC and so many other people don't do anything about the markets, even though so many people tell you that it's manipulated. But is it manipulated in a way that you can understand it? Is that why you're saying that it's manipulated? Because whether it is, whether it isn't, we can still dominate and win in this space. It doesn't matter. The information is already here for us to digest. And if you're able to digest it accurately, you'll win a lot. So I'm still expecting the price in SoFi to go higher. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the strength into the market in SoFi. Now, like I tell you, we need to be prepared to see how high the market is going to go before we see any selling appear. Okay. So like I said, $14, $15 where the ultimate area support is. But for me, I'm going to bring it up here slightly higher off of $15 to like $15.85. Okay. I'm going to expect the price in SoFi to continue to give us that push higher as long as price stays above that level, right? First area TP, guys can remember, it's going to be around $18. Okay, it's going to be minimal, but we understand we want to be ahead of the game. We need to come in, take the bag, 3%, so we can eat a little bit of profit off the market. And then I'm going to extend it up here towards 19. Okay, it's about 8.82%. Now, just like last time in our last price prediction, it took the market a while in SoFi for us to get where we expected it to go. You might want to do the same thing here, right? Don't expect the market to come in and give us immediately what we want. Now, if we do get that, then that's great. But don't fall under that premise that these are going to completely explode. Those are outliers. Those don't happen all the time. So let us continue to watch the market in SoFi. So far, the market is good. And we're going to continue to play that in this space. Okay. So this is it. This is what I'm expecting. I want you all to see what our anticipated next move will be into the market for SoFi. Give me that. Give me this right here. Okay, $18 first. Give me that. And then ultimately $19. Give me that. This is what we're going to say to the trap once he brings the price to where we expect him to go. Simple. So now drop me a comment in the comment section and let me know where you all expect the market price in SoFi to go, all without being confused. Join the team. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, see you on the next one.